this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm just putting together some stuff. It's 90 degrees outside, and most people don't eat soup or whatever, but I'm fixing like a hamburger potato corn chowder. I don't know, I'm just putting some stuff together, and I'm gonna see what it tastes like when it gets done. I'm cooking it in my Instant Pot, but right now I'm browning up 2.5 pounds of ground chuck. I always get the 5-pound roll of ground chuck at Walmart, and I cut it in half, and that's what I'm cooking right here. And that's going to go in my Instant Pot, and I've got potatoes here that I've diced up. You can see the size of them. I've got 4 potatoes that I'm putting in there, and then I've got a half of a bag of frozen corn, and then I've got a bag of my frozen corn that I'm going to put in here, along with some chicken broth and some tomato sauce that I canned last year. And I'll bring you back when I get ready to put everything in. Well, I'm going to go on and put the potatoes, and I've got a huge red onion here. Huge. I'm going to dice that up and put that in the Instant Pot with the potatoes, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so in my Instant Pot, I've got the 4 large potatoes diced up. They're in the very bottom. I've got the large red onion. I just cut it in fourths and then cut that into fourths, and the pieces, let's see, ended up being like this big, and they'll fall apart when they start getting cooked. And then I've got let's see, I wanted this to be mainly corn, so this is a 2-pound bag of frozen corn minus a cup. And then I have one of my bags of frozen corn, which was 4 cups. So, and then I've got the chicken broth that I cooked my chicken in the Instant Pot the other night. And I've got one of my cans of tomatoes that I canned last year, and I'm putting that in here. Alright. And then I'm going to put a tablespoon of kosher salt. And this is a half a tablespoon measure that I have, so it'll be 2 of these. Alright. And then I'm going to put a half a tablespoon of chicken flavor bouillon. Alright. There's that. A half a tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper. Half of a half. Let's see. You can see of herbs de Provence. That's going in, so a half of a half. And a half of a tablespoon of granulated onion. And a half of a half of a tablespoon of granulated garlic. I wish I could like garlic, because all my friends do, but none of my family does. So we're just not a garlic family. Alright, and then I've got the ground beef is right here, and it's cooked now. And I'm going to strain it and put it in, and when I have everything in there, I'll bring you back. Okay, so everything's in here now. And I'm going to put the lid on. I'll make sure that it's to sealing. And then I'm going to push it back. And I'm going to go manual. I'm going to go 15 minutes. Because the only thing that's really would take any while is the potatoes. And my kids are not here and they're swimming, so I'm not even worried about how long this comes down. I'm just gonna do a natural pressure release of the whole thing, and when they get home or I get hungry and this is done, I'll bring you back and, well, no, I've got something else to do when I open it back up, so I'll bring you back when it gets done. Okay, I'm back. Alright, it's been an hour since it shut off, so it came all the way down from the pressure, and I've got it on saute now because I'm going to try this. I have got like 10 ounces of milk in here and 2 tablespoons of flour. And I'm stirring this up and making sure it's no chunks of flour or whatever in here. Now I'm going to pour this in here. Alright. And now I'm going to let this cook some and make it soupy. Oh, I want it to thicken up and be like a corn chowder. This is a hamburger corn potato chowder. Alright, so I'm going to let this cook a few minutes and build that broth, or whatever you want to call it, the soup part, thickening. I'm going to let it thicken up some, and then I'm going to put some in a bowl and let it cool off, and I'll bring you back and we're going to taste this. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so a lot going on around here, so everybody came in, and I just wanted to show you the soup. I made it a little bit, it's a little bit creamier, and I want to taste it and see what it tastes like and let y'all know. Alright, that's good. That is really good. It's got a little bit of sweetness to it from the corn. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and also links for the Instant Pot, and be watching because I'm getting ready to have some pretty good giveaways. So, I'll talk to you later. Bye.